G'day peeps, how's it going? Welcome back to Middle Earth Trail Biker. Today we will be making a bike ramp and, well, peanuts, practically free. So I'll tell you how, coming right up. Let's get started. We have some scrap timber I have salvaged out of a skip bin from a building site I was working on. It is amazing how much timber goes to waste. So I asked the builder if I could have the plywood pallet and the 8mm plywood cover sheet that goes over the top of the flooring tiles, and I was good to go.
Right, here we have the 90mm ply on its side. I ain't no builder, so let me explain what I've come up with here. The sheet is divided in half via the yellow line. So numbers 1 and 2 is one ramp and numbers 3 and 4 is the second ramp. So I lied, we're actually making 2 ramps. This is so I can learn how to do a gap jump. Now you can see 100mm highlighted in the bottom left corner. This is a case point on the ramp to save my bacon if I come up short. This is a 100mm triangle all the way around. These funny coloured lines mark the curve in the ramp. If you want more or less of the ramp's curve, you can adjust it accordingly, but I have gone with 25mm. That is 25mm from the red line to the grey line, or red to white. The same can be applied for the blue to the green or yellow. I made this curved line by using a plastic water pipe, as I'm a plumber. Now the black bit should be the offcuts left at the end of cutting the ramp walls out. Right then, let's get cutting. I set the depth of the 8mm ply to mark it on the inside of the ramp and screw it in. I will do this to all the timber braces. This is so the ramp can be recessed. I marked the centre of the timber so I know where to screw. I popped the top on. She's rough and ready. I used the classic technique with the case point of the ramp, which is soaking the ply over time to get it to fold over. Don't forget to use something heavy to persuade it to bend.
Right, this is the finished product. It's totally different as it did before. The reason for that is I have stained it with used motor oil. And the reason for that is because the timber is untreated. So it's one way of recycling my motor oil and also it's good for my timber. I've measured it, and the distance from the highest point on both ramps is 700mm, so that's not including the case points on the ramp. Right, let's give it a go. Wow. Wow. So, 1.5 meters. Let's give it a crack. Now that was casing it. It was. I was committed to that one.
Right, just to recap on the video, yes, I've been editing it and I have noticed that I really need to learn how to drop the bike front wheel first in my landing. Definitely got to work on that big time, and because I've built these I now can do so. Another thing, just to go over about how I got my hands on this timber. I'm definitely in no way condoning going onto a building site of any sort and just taking what you please. Like, I did ask for all those materials. The only thing I had to purchase out of that was the screws, one little pot, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that was the only thing I had to buy. Everything else was all free from, we've got a building site just up across the road from me, and that where I got that timber, the plywood timber, that was from a building site that I was working on. And yeah, so by no means am I condoning thievery. But yeah, no, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers.